Welcome to the best picks. The best door jamb repair is probably one of the most underappreciated home repair solutions, yet fixing a damaged door jamb can dramatically improve your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic appeal. In this video, we will walk through everything you need to know about choosing and installing the right door jamb repair kit for your specific needs, ensuring a smooth, professional-looking finish that will last. Number 5. Door Armor Max Security Kit. It was proven on national television. A reinforced door with this kit resisted forced entry, unlike an unprotected one. See for yourself how it works. This kit has everything you need: jamb shield, mini door shields, hinge shields, screws, and easy-to-follow instructions. It's a complete solution for enhanced security. It's made from 16-gauge galvanized steel with a high-temperature powder coating for superior corrosion resistance. The hardened steel screws are built to last a lifetime. Supporting American jobs and veterans, it's manufactured with pride in the USA. We believe in quality and supporting our community. This is the original multi-point door security solution, trusted by homeowners for years. It's a proven way to increase your home's security. Most break-ins happen through the door. This provides crucial time to react to a threat. It's the first line of defense for your home. You can install it yourself in about 30 minutes with just a cordless drill. It's a simple and effective way to boost your home's security. What we like. It offers superior protection with multiple reinforcement points. If you prioritize maximum security and long-lasting durability, this is the best choice for safeguarding your home. Its quick installation makes it perfect for busy homeowners who want peace of mind without a lengthy project. What people say. Installation was relatively straightforward and trouble-free. I would say this job requires basic handyman skills. The materials used are excellent quality, and the supplied longer screws ensure the door will be very difficult to kick in. Easy to install and a significant upgrade to the house builder's strike plates and screws. If someone came looking for trouble, the front door is going to require a lot more effort and noise to break down now. Number 4. ZZem Screw Door Repair Kit. Is a wobbly door making you nervous? It's a simple fix. This kit will help you repair stripped screw holes and reinforce your door frame in minutes. This kit makes fixing your door easy. You'll have everything you need, except a drill, to get the job done quickly and efficiently. It comes with the right drill bit, screws, and screwdriver bits. Just grab your drill and let's get started. It's designed for number 9 screws, commonly used in door hinges. This ensures a perfect and secure fit every time. This isn't just for doors. It's great for repairing other things around your home that use number 9 screws, such as gates, shelves, and handrails. By installing it deep into the door frame, it provides strong reinforcement against forced entry. It adds an extra layer of security to your home. Created by a U.S. Navy veteran, this kit is built with quality and durability in mind. You can trust it for a long-lasting repair. What we like. This kit is incredibly simple to use and fixes various issues. If you're looking for a quick, straightforward solution to repair stripped screws and sagging doors, and support veteran-owned businesses, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable fix without hassle. What people say. The installation was straightforward and the instructions were clear, even for someone like me who's not a professional. The quality of the materials was impressive, and the kit came with everything I needed to get my doors back in action. Remove hinge screws. Drill hole. Drive-in anchor. Res-screw hinge. Installed in under 2 minutes first time. Nice and sturdy. Everything is included. Any drill driver combo is all you need. The brass inserts provide a secure attachment point for the screws and made the repairs quick and easy. Number 3. Door Armor Mini Security Kit. This is the ultimate door security kit, providing peace of mind for your home. It's easy to install and offers superior protection against forced entry. It features 3 durable pieces that reinforce your door and frame. This kit helps prevent forced entry by kicking or prying. Installation takes only a few minutes. Simply slide the shields onto your door and secure them with the included screws. It's designed to fit most standard doors. Make sure you have the required space between your door and frame before installation. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last. The strong construction provides long-lasting protection for your home. It can also be used to repair damage from previous break-in attempts. Reinforce your door and restore its security. Everything you need is included: door shields, jamb shield, and screws. It's ready to install right out of the box. What we like. Its design specifically prevents forced entry. If you need fast, effective protection against break-ins and want to support American manufacturing, this is a great option. It's ideal for renters or homeowners who want a simple yet strong security upgrade. What people say. The metal is heavy and finished well, and the multitude of punch-outs was great. Solid, well-made product that was easy to install. The hinges are well engineered and made of solid stainless steel. It installed easy, the metal seemed bendy. Still, there's no doubt it reinforced my door, so I went on Amazon to buy 3 more. Number 2. Fix-A-Jamb 24 Interior Door Jamb Kit. Say goodbye to damaged door jambs. This innovative kit makes repairs quick and easy, restoring your doors to their former glory. It's 24 inches long and fits any standard interior door. No more struggling with ill-fitting replacements. Repair your door jamb in just 5 minutes. It's so simple, anyone can do it. Available in white, aged bronze, or satin nickel, it blends seamlessly with your existing decor. It can even be painted to match. This kit has everything you need to fix broken or worn door jambs, regardless of the cause. It's the ultimate solution for damaged door frames. While it strengthens your door jamb, it's not a security device. Please remember that this product is designed for interior doors only. What we like. It's highly adaptable to different door jambs and installs quickly. If you need a simple, aesthetically pleasing repair for interior doors, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a clean, professional-looking fix without extensive effort. What people say. It doesn't look great, but it's a good temporary fix. It's quite long, so provide extra security, especially with the 2 1/2-inch screws provided. It will also close the gaps in your door to prevent any kind of prying. This moved the strike plate closer by 1/4 inch. Number 1. Fix-A-Jamb Exterior Door Jamb Repair Kit. Is your exterior door jamb broken or damaged? Repair it yourself quickly and easily with Fix-A-Jamb. No need to call an expensive professional. This kit makes repairing your door jamb a simple DIY project. It's quick and easy to install. You only need a power drill, no cutting or nailing required. This kit helps reinforce your door jamb, improving your home's security. It's a cost-effective solution. Save hundreds of dollars compared to professional repair costs. Get professional results in just minutes. It's compatible with other security products to further enhance your home's protection. Check out our other door security options. Get the security you need without breaking the bank. It's a great value for improving your home's security. What we like. It enables you to easily fix your exterior door jamb yourself. If you want to save money on professional repairs and are comfortable with basic DIY, this is a great choice. It's perfect for budget-conscious homeowners who want to tackle home repairs independently. What people say. This is a great and very simple to install product. I had to caveman my door due to accidentally being locked out. This not only covered all the damage but reinforced at a level beyond what it used to be. I may still be able to kick it in, but it would take a lot of effort. Worked as described. Easy to install. Much better than replacing the whole jamb. After my door was broken into and I needed to fix the frame and harden the door from any other types of abuse, I purchased one of these door jamb reinforcements. I was so pleased with how it secured the door that I purchased 3 more jamb reinforcements for my other doors, and those went in just like the instructions detail. There's a bit of peace of mind knowing that it will take some criminal type a lot longer and they'll have to actually work for a living if they were to try to break in again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.